Hi guys! In this tutorial I just want to show you quickly how to make color changes that are almost invisible. As you can see in this example here, so this is a leg from an amigurumi I'm working on at the moment, and it has rainbow colors, and I think the invisible color changes are especially important if you have a project like this. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and it's actually pretty easy and also fun. So I show it to you with this example here. So I have finalized this color, and now I want to change from blue to green. So what you do is after you finalize the last round, you make one more slip stitch in the next stitch. So slip stitch, you just pull it through, and then you finished this color, and then you can just cut it off and pull it through. So now you are taking the next color you want to use, and you don't start at this point. Instead, you just go a few stitches back, like 5 for example. So we could just take this one, and then you just pull the green yarn through the stitch, then you make one chain, and then in the same chain you do another single crochet. So you make a chain and a single crochet in the same stitch. And this is the start of your new round with the new color. So you just keep making single crochets, and make sure you also hide the thread of this one in here. So, and now we get to that last slip stitch that we just made, and you just make another single crochet into this slip stitch here. Just go in here, grab the yarn, and make another single crochet. It's actually easy to just, okay. Here we go. Single crochet in that last slip stitch. Then you take the cut off thread of the previous color and pull it as tight as you can, really tight, so this kind of disappears. And then we just keep making single crochets into the following round. We don't take this one, so our first single crochet is this one here after the slip stitch, and here you can again hide that thread while making your single crochets. And just keep doing your single crochets until you get to the end of the round. I'm just demonstrating this to you. It's luckily not too many single crochets for this leg. So then you can hide this thread. And then now we come to the last two. 1 and 2. Now we're back at the start where we started the new color, and you just make into that first single crochet you did here, you make a slip stitch. And now you finalize the round. I just make another, we start the new round now, just again with single crochets. Few more, and now if you keep doing this round, you will see there's actually you don't really see the transition after you've done a few rounds, like you can see here between the purple and the blue. It looks like this, so you can hardly see where one color ends and the other one starts, and it will be the same here with the green and the blue. You just keep making your single crochets now in the round, and yeah, it's almost, the transition is almost invisible, like I showed you on this one here. And this is really fun. I thought, okay, this is lots of work to do those color changes, but actually it's fun if you have those fun colors, and it's really easy. And if you've tried it a few times, it's really very easy to make. So I hope you have fun with this, and well, good luck with your project.